What's up, guys? So today we got the engine disassembled, took everything apart, stripped it down to bare block. I didn't record much because we were trying to get the job done. It's starting to snow outside. So here's the cam. We're going to be sending this in to get resurfaced. We're going to be replacing the bearings as well. And yeah, everything's got to be cleaned up. This motor's been sitting for a really long time and it's ugly.
It's bad.
So here's the block. It's pretty dirty. We're gonna be sending it in too as well, obviously, to get cleaned out. So here's the pistons. They look like crap, filled with carbon. All the rings are bad. The cylinders aren't too bad, but anyway, we're gonna be putting some new hardware in there. Freaking dirty, and it's gonna get a deep cleaning. But long story short, it's going to the machine shop, and it's gonna look beautiful again. So we got all the gaskets and all the other crap that usually would need, and an engine rebuild, you know. So we got some pistons here. Don't worry about what kind of pistons they are, because they're not special to you, but to me they are, and you're not gonna know what they are.